we are back for another Fashion Nova haul. This video is kindly sponsored by Fashion Nova, and these items were gifted to me by them also. If you want to see what I got from Fashion Nova, keep on watching. But we're going to start with the first item. I always like to wear an item first. I've had my eye on this top for so long. I love kind of, it's, dare I say, edgy. An eagle one. I don't know what it says. I can't read it. I'm trying to look in the viewfinder, but I can't see. It's a really nice cut. This top is really good quality, and it's kind of like asymmetrical. Is that the word? I don't know. It comes down like this. I really love this. The only thing I will say about this top, it really smells like of egg. It's so weird, and no amount of perfume was going to get rid of it. So if you get the top, put it in the wash first. I don't know if it was just my one. I think it's because of the print on it. It's like, I don't know. I've kind of gone with like mainly summer. I think there's like 2 things in here that's not summery. But denim shorts are such a staple. So I've grabbed this black pair. I'll show you these ones first because these are my favourite. So I grabbed these all in a size 0. So Fashion Nova is an American site, so if you're from the UK like me, 0 is like a 4, I believe. I'm normally like a 2 or a 4 in UK size. They fit me amazingly. I don't believe they had any bag at the back. I think maybe just a tiny bit. I really liked how distressed and like kind of frilly this was. It kind of is like cute but cool at the same time. I don't know, I just really enjoyed these. They're so nice, got belt loops. I love the wash of these as well. And then I'll show you the black pair. These are a little bit big on the back. Like from the front they don't look big at all, but it's just the back. Nothing a belt can't fix at all. These are kind of just straight black. I do prefer my black more like washed, so kind of borderline grey, but I don't mind. I guess a plain black pair is good to have. Again, with the distress, I really like distressed stuff. I just thought I haven't left room for a triangle clip. Really sorry if the triangle clips was like covering me. Also, it's easy to style. The quality of Fashion Nova's denim is amazing as well. And then I got this last pair. These are a little bit longer than the first blue pair. You can see the distress in here. You can kind of see how the cut's a bit longer on these, which is nice. Really like the wash of these also. Denim shorts are just so good to have, and they're good to pair with my big stack of bodysuits. I am out of focus apparently. I've got so many bodysuits to try. I'm a little bit sad about these, and you'll see why in a minute. So the first one is my favourite, of course. If you remember my last Fashion Nova haul, I believe, I grabbed this bodysuit in black. I'm obsessed with it. I love it so much, and of course I had to grab the nude because I love nude and like beige. So if you didn't see the last haul, I'll just run over the comments. These little parts are mesh, and then this is like crepe material. Obviously it's see-through because it's mesh, but you can't see those. Placement of the design is just so perfect that it covers it. Also has adjustable straps, love that, and the straps are of course colour coordinated as well as the little plasticky bits. And then I grabbed a pink bodysuit. Unfortunately isn't a thong back, which is a bit disappointing because I do only like a thong back. I don't like pant line. The straps aren't adjustable on this one, it's just your spaghetti ones, but they do have a lot of stretch. The colour of this is amazing. This is also double lined. It is super thick, good quality, not see-through, so much stretch to it. It is a bit big for me also. And then I got these bodysuits here, both the exact same. I've got the taupe and the white. I'll show you the taupe colour. Not thong back again. I don't know if I missed that. Normally I look, so maybe I didn't look, so that's my fault. Double lined, super thick, really good basic. I just love these. If you need an outfit, a bodysuit and jeans just goes. And I love the kind of racer neck bits. So the white one's the exact same, and the white one's not see-through because of course it's double lined. Then I've got this yellow one. Again, it's a little bit big for me. Doesn't have a thong back, but the quality is really good. Thick, double lined, as I just said. Straps are just normal kind of cami vest vibes. Love yellow, such a nice colour, especially because I freshly dyed my hair. And then the last one, again a bit big. I don't know what it is. Normally Fashion Nova stuff always fits me. I think it's because it only comes in a small, and in Fashion Nova I'm in extra small. This is a bit of a thinner material, but it's not see-through or anything. The straps are so big because it's like a dip, so it kind of comes really low. You'll see on the triangle clip. This one is a thong back, which is nice. It's a breathable ribbed material. I really like it. I just wish it fitted me. I used to love this trend and then hated it. These tops. I loved them at first, and then I got 1 or 2, And then I was like, no. Colour, insane. It's got like white stitching, but it's also still pink at the same time. Then the white lace. The thing is with this, love how I'm just resting it here. Thank you. Normally with these tops, I find it gapes. Like, I just feel like sticking to the wind. But this just sits, it doesn't move. Like, I'm moving and it's still staying in place. Everything's covered. Like, I just really love these. I mean, will I hate it probably in 2 months? Maybe. Now, this top, when I tell you, I've been trying to get hold of since I think the first time I ever looked on Fashion Nova, and that was way over a year ago, okay? And it finally came back in stock and I was like, you are mine. Thank you. I love this kind of like edgy, but it's just normal t-shirt material here, but then it's a nude mesh. I thought this with like some beige cargo, similar colour, and maybe some trainers this colour, or if you just want to stick like black or white shoes, would look really great. Has a little lace up thing here. I just love it, and I've been wanting it for so long. I'm so happy about it. It's worth the wait, and it looks so good on the model, and I feel like that's why I wanted it even more. And then I got this top. I'm really sad about this because I wanted an oversized white t-shirt, and I was going to cut it, so it's cropped already, but I'm going to cut it to like here, and then like have a long sleeve top under. I didn't realise, where is it? Had this little pocket here. No. So unfortunately I'm really sad about that because I'm annoyed because it's a good fit. Like, it is that oversized fit I like, but it fits good on the arms. Like, it's oversized but it doesn't look silly. And obviously it was long, but I was going to cut it so it's even more cropped. I was so upset. I was like, oh, I didn't see that pocket. They have this in 2 colours and I couldn't decide, but I thought I'd go with the red. I kind of wanted to wear this as a top, but tell me if you don't think it's acceptable to wear as a top or not. So it's a little corset, and if you know, you know, I love a corset top. I feel like I could get away with that as a top. I mean, it does have red hearts around it. Tiny bit padded, just like an ordinary bra, like it's not push-up or anything. And it has the corset hook things, and then a bit of boning. But it's got hearts, can you see there? And then the rest is all mesh around the back. This fits like a glove, I love it. It just comes with the underwear. Oh, that's the back. It's gonna say. Just a little thong with mesh and the hearts. Fashion Nova's underwear is really good, but I do find sometimes it doesn't fit, but this fits really good because, again, I'm an extra small and most of the underwear is offered in the small that I've seen. Saw this dress on a girl on TikTok and I was like, yeah, you're gonna have to wait for the trial clip for this one, but it's just a black dress, so I'll just keep it down here. Everyone needs a little black dress in their wardrobe. Summer, winter, spring, autumn, Christmas. It's not even a season. They're so good, so versatile. You can wear colourful heels with them. You can dress them down, you can dress them up. Do what you want. This is a slinky material, lovely. Makes your figure look amazing. It hugs so perfectly. But it's like a cow neck, so it kind of like sags over, if you know what a cow neck is. And it has adjustable straps. I'm so happy with this. Like, I needed a plain black dress that was like strappy, so I'm glad I got that. I wore this dress on my Instagram the other day. Everyone went crazy for it. Literally, I had so many DMs about this dress saying like, oh my god. And I was really proud of the outfit because I'd done like Louis Vuitton inspired sandals. So they were like the brown and black checkered sandals and my Louis Vuitton bag. And then I had black sunglasses and it was all colour coordinated. I was so proud of it. I was loving it. Again, the dress is a tiny bit big, like just a little bit loose. Like, I would prefer it a little bit cinched, a little bit tighter, but you know what I'm like. I like to be literally stuck, glued, painted on the dress. Just a strappy dress, but it's super stretchy. Such a thick ribbed material. Unreal colour as well. It's like a cool tone chocolate brown. It was kind of like a midi dress on me because I am 4 foot. No, I'm not. Why am I a compulsive liar? I am a liar. I'm 5 foot. If I keep repeating that things don't fit me, it's not a bad thing. It's nothing to do with Fashion Nova. It's just Fashion Nova small doesn't fit me. And I didn't realise I picked up literally half the haul in small, which is really sad because I do love everything. Again, a ribbed mini/midi on me. Dress, just a cami kind of front. Ribbed thick material again. I feel like lilac's really cute, especially with my like blackish brown hair right now. I have like a black denim jacket. While I'm talking about denim jackets and what will go with all these dresses, little break from dresses for a sec. I got 2 denim jackets. So I'll show you the black one first because I feel like it will go with most of these. Grabs this black denim jacket, dish bog standard. It's kind of, I think it's meant to be cropped, but it's like a long crop. Denim jackets, and I find leather jackets as well go with so much. You're wearing a dress, chuck a denim jacket on. Really good for summer as well, because if it's a little bit colder, they're not going to like burn you alive because they're hot. Then I got a blue one. This one is a bit more cropped. I did roll the sleeves, if you can see, so I was trying to make them smaller because the arms puff out on me because I'm so short. My arms are just short. I like that this had a raw hem. Really like that kind of rustic look. But I also think a blue one's good to have. Then I got this ribbed dress. This is a bit more of a thinner ribbed than the other ones. As you can see, the ribbed is more separated. It's like a nudie colour, but it didn't wash me out. And I really liked it against my hair. Again, a little bit big. These type of dresses are just easy. Chuck them on with denim jacket, sandals and a bag and you're good to go. Go on a walk or anything like that. And then I think this is the last nude dress I got. This really reminded me of like Kim K Skims, but obviously Skims isn't this material. Skims is more of like a slinky material, but with the thick cami straps and the colour, I don't know, just give me Skims. Mini dress again. It's that thick ribbed material as the other ones were. Okay, I'm running out of description to give with these ribbed dresses because they're all the same but different. Then I got this dress. I saw this kind of last minute and I was like, okay, we'll pick her up, we'll see what she's saying. The boobie bit is very padded and like structured, so I feel like it was a bit hard for me. I liked the kind of geometric print. Well, that was a bit cool. Super like figure hugging, and it's got the ruching and mesh. I love like ruching and like ruched mesh because it covers the boob baby, you know. Fitting me great. It's got a zip on back, really good quality. I always say this in my Fashion Over hauls, that's meant to be covered, that's not meant to be hanging out. There you go. I always say on Fashion Over hauls, best place to get like night out dresses. And then I've got this little summer dress. To be honest, I wasn't a fan of this on me. On the model, again, it looked beautiful, but I feel like I'm not this. Like, this is not me. This is me, this little rib cami, but like cutesy, frilly, it just doesn't suit me. And the front was just a bit too big, like it was gaping out. But the quality is really nice, it's not see-through, it's super cute. If you like cutesy dresses, you'd really like this. So I was a bit sad about that, but that's just because it's not my vibe. I have a pair of Fashion Over pajama bottoms that I wear all the time, but these are a bit different. So these are like wide leg, stretchy band. However, I did grab these in I think a small. They did have an extra small, but it was out of stock and I was like, I just want them, they might fit me by chance. I was silly. So I think I'm going to give them to my boyfriend. He looked like the type from Frosty's advert. He's really cute and they're a soft, like, plush material. Again, I have a dressing gown from Fashion Over that I've actually dyed pink and I'm so upset about. And I love it so much, I wear it literally every single day. Again, my boyfriend wears it too. It's a little bit small for him, but he loves it. I just wanted another one. I feel like if I'm ever going to get a dressing gown again, I'm definitely just going to keep going back to Fashion Over because they're really comfortable. So I just grabbed a plain white one. This is super soft. It is going to get stained. It's going to get makeup on it. It's going to get tan on it. So I got a two-piece. I thought this is really cool. Just says Love's a Gamble. Just kind of a graphic bandeau top. And then the skirt. The skirt is a bit long though. I will probably just roll it up. Got a stretchy elastic waist. It's got the other half of the thing on it. With heels. Low bum. Then I've got this skirt. Again, it's something I've been looking at for a while. Thought it was cute. I don't like this button, so I might pull it off. I haven't decided yet. It fits me great. If you don't know what skirt is, it's shorts and a skirt with a white cami. Or if it's a little bit colder, you can wear a fur coat or something. I feel like even in the winter, this would be cute with some like long boots. That's what I was thinking. Of course, it had to be beige. But then I've got these cargos. I was so upset about these because these look sick. So they've got the waistband, which fits me amazing. This is a size 0. Look, it scrunches and everything. I thought that would be so cute, low-waisted or high-waisted. They're just so long, which is really sad. So I might get them taken up. I don't know. Fashion Over's denim is so good. Unreal, love it. Cargos are of course amazing. I thought these pair of cargos with that mesh sleeve top I showed you earlier, if you remember it, because the haul is 20 years long. I thought that would look really nice. Last two items, I've got this two-piece here. I'm not really a fan on this. I don't know, I just feel like the fit and it just didn't look good on me. So it's this skirt, you can see it's got a bit of mesh on it. It definitely looked better on the model than me. It's all like lacy at the back and I feel like it's just granny. Stretchy waistband and it was a little bit long, but the quality is good, it's thick. If you're into it, then you're into it, you know. Got the corset top, that's what drew me. I kind of wanted it for the top. You see the mesh, the detailing on this is insane. It's got the hooks, adjustable straps, it's got the mesh bit here. I keep calling it mesh, lace, got the lace bit and then a little bit of coverage. If you wanted to wear them separately, I would, because I don't like the skirt. If you like the skirt, but I personally don't. Or with jeans, you know, jeans are a nice top vibe. Now for our last item, just wait for the triangle clip because this looks like a sack of potatoes. But if you've seen this trend, the whole holy thing, it's leggings with loads of circle holes. And then it comes as a two-piece. They have so many of this. They have this in a bodysuit, crop top, just the top, just the leggings, the jumpsuit, so many colours, it's unreal. Then it's a long sleeved crop top. I thought it's really cute. I mean, call me tacky because it is see-through. You would wear like underwear under it. I was really imagining this with some heels and then a sleek bun. I might do that. Should I do that for Instagram? Really good quality. It's either a bit of you or it's a bit of not, basically. I personally really like it. Anyway guys, that's the end of that Fashion Nova haul. If you like Fashion Nova hauls, let me know down below and like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. We actually hit, I think we hit 17,000. Yeah. We're on the road to 20k guys. 20k. 20k. I literally remember when I hit 1,000 and I was like, oh my god, that's so cool. Anyway, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you like me and my channel, then make sure to subscribe. And other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.